Good morning, dear student. Today I will teach you class 10th biology first chapter topic human heart. That means our heart is pumping through muscular organ. First of all, the structures given in this topic mentioned the heart is a double pump. It is divided by septa into two halves, the right and left. Each consists to communicating chamber, upper smaller auricles that atrium, and lower larger ventricles. Thus we can say that heart has four chambers. The two upper chamber is called atria, that means atrium. Two lower chamber is called left and right ventricles. There are halves between left atrium and left ventricles, between right atrium and right ventricles. These halves provide one-way passes and prevent the return of blood. That means these two halves permit the flow of blood from atrium to ventricle, that is not to in reserve sequence or order. The wall of heart are composed of special muscles is called cardiac muscles. Heart is play a vital functions. Beats which takes place all the time throughout one's life. The sequence of events which takes place during the completion of one heartbeat to is called cardiac cycle. It involves repeated rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart. Muscle contraction is called systole and relaxation is called diastole. During the time when muscles of all four chambers of heart are relaxed, that means diastolic condition, blood returning to the heart under low pressure in veins enter into two atria. Blood and large veins are called vena cava, pour into right atrium. That means you see in this diagram the blood comes from head, upper body part and lower body part where oxygen has been used up and blood is free from oxygen. That means deoxygenated blood. The oxygenated blood into left atrium, oxygenated blood enter the left atrium, and when systolic condition at right and left atria filled with blood pressure in rises, so the valves between left atrium and left ventricle, that means bicuspid valves between right atrium and right ventricles, tricuspid valves open and atria contact. Arterial contraction, force of blood pumping of deoxygenated blood from right atrium into right ventricles through tricuspid valves, and oxygenated blood from left atrium into left ventricles through bicuspid valves. The vascularic systolic condition during contraction of ventricles, deoxygenated blood from right ventricles flow to lungs through pulmonary arteries, and the oxygenated blood from left ventricle is distributed to all part of body through the largest artery called aorta. That is a double circulation. The blood circulation in human being is double circulation. That means blood passes through heart twice for each circuit of body. One circulation involves the entry of blood from all body parts into the heart. The blood is deoxygenated, which go to lungs from oxygenated. The second circulation involves the entry of oxygenated blood from lungs into heart and then distributed to all part of body. That is shown in this diagram. Double circulation is made possible because the human heart is divided into two halves. One half pumps deoxygenated blood to lungs and other half pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. That is the form of pressure. Blood pressure. Blood pressure. The force of that blood exert against the wall of vessels is called blood pressures. This pressure is much greater in arteries than in veins. The pressure of blood inside the artery during the ventricular systole, that means contraction, is called systolic pressure, and the pressure in artery during ventricular diastole, that means relaxation, is called diastolic pressure. The normal systolic pressure in human body is 120 mm of Hg and diastolic pressure is 80 mm of Hg. The blood pressure, that means you see in this diagram the instrument, to step by step you can measure the blood pressure is measured with an instrument is called sphygmomanometer. High blood pressure is also called hypertension and is called by the constriction of arterioles, which result it increase the resistance to blood flow. It can lead to the ruptures of an arteries and internal bleeding. Thanks.